Today, I'm thrilled to present you a topic that has revolutionized the way businesses connect to their customer. In this era, email remains a powerful tool for reaching and engaging your target audience. Email marketing involves sending carefully crafted messages directly to the customer's inbox, allowing you to deliver personalized content, building relationship, and drive valuable actions. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or entrepreneur, understanding the fundamentals of email marketing is crucial for your success. Hello everyone and welcome to the video by Intellipaat. In this video, we'll take a look at how to do email marketing. Now let's take a look at our agenda. We would start with introduction to email marketing. Then we'll discuss about the essential aspects of email marketing, followed by email campaign planning and execution. Then we will take a look at building an email list and we'll go through what are the email marketing platforms and tools. We would also be exploring designing compelling emails. Then we would dive deep into analyzing and measuring performance. Moving further, we will see what are the best practices in email marketing and what are the future trends and innovation in email marketing. As we reach the end of this video, we will have a small conclusion about how to do email marketing. So get ready to unlock the potential of email marketing as we dive into our video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates from us. Now let's start with the first agenda, Introduction to Email Marketing. Email marketing is a powerful way for businesses to connect with their customers or promote their products or services. It involves sending targeted messages directly to people's inbox. Thinking of it as a digital version of traditional mails, but it is faster and more effective. With email marketing, businesses can send personalized contents to their subscribers, building relationship and keeping them informed about new offers, updates and events. It allows you to reach large number of people at once, making it a cost-effective marketing strategy. The beauty of email marketing lies in the ability to deliver tailored message. You can segment your audience based on their interest or past purchase, ensuring that each person receives relevant information. Now let's look at some of the essential aspects of email marketing. Building a subscribers list. This means gathering a group of people who are interested in hearing from you. You can do this by providing opt-in forms on your website, social media, or in-person event, where people can willingly share their email addresses to receive updates from you. Then we have crafting engaging emails. Once you have a subscribers list, it is important to create interesting and relevant email content. This includes writing catchy subject lines that makes people want to open your emails and creating engaging contents that resonates your audience. Then we have personalization and segmentation. Tailoring your emails to specific group of people based on their preferences or behavior can significantly improve engagement. By sending personalized messages, you can make your subscriber feel more valued. Design and mobile optimization. Creating visually appealing emails that are easy to read and navigate is crucial. Many people read email on the mobile devices, so it is important to ensure that emails are mobile friendly and responsive. Next, we have testing and analytics. Experimenting with different email elements such as subject lines or call to action button can help you understand what works better for your audience. By analyzing email metrics such as open rate or click through rate, you can measure the success of the campaign and make data-driven decisions for improvement. Compliances and subscriber consent. Respect privacy, such as obtaining proper consent from subscriber and providing an option to unsubscribe, is essential. This ensures that you maintain a positive reputation and build trust with your audience. So the next topic is email campaign planning and execution, which involves strategizing and implementing email marketing campaign. Firstly, we have set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your email campaign. It could be driving sales, increasing website traffic, promoting new products, or nurturing customer relationship. Define your target audience. Identify the specific group of people you want to reach with your campaign. Consider their interest and behavior to tailor your email effectively. Plan your content. Decide what content you want to include in your email. This could be promotional offers, informative newsletters, educational content, or event invitation. Plan the sequence and timing of your emails to create the cohesive campaign. Create engaging email design. Design visually appealing and professional looking emails. Use eye-catching images, compelling headlines, and clear call to action button to encourage recipient to take action. Write compel copy. Concise email copies that grab attention and communicates your message effectively. Use language that resonates your target audience and clearly conveys the value that you receive. Next, we have building an email list. Building an email list means creating a group of people who have given you permission to send them emails. And here's how it works. Offer value. To encourage people join your email list, provide something valuable in return. It could be exclusive content, a discount, or a free ebook, or access to special promotions. This gives people a reason to share the email address with you. Opt-in forms. Place opt-in forms on your website, blog, or social media platform. These forms typically ask for person's name and email address. Make the form visible and clearly explain the benefits of joining your email list. Landing pages. Create dedicated landing pages with strong call to action to capture the email addresses. These pages are designed specifically to promote your offers and collect your email signups. Keep the form simple and focus on the benefits. Pop-up and slide-ins. Use pop-up and slide-in on your website to grab visitors' attention and encourage them to subscribe. Timing is important, so consider displaying these forms when visitor has engaged with your content or is about to leave. Social media and lead magnets. Leverage social media platform to promote your email list. Create lead magnets such as guides, templates, or checklists and offer them to exchange their email signups. Direct people to opt-in forms or landing pages to capture their information. Offline opportunities. Collect email addresses offline too. For instances, during events or in-store visit, ask customer if they would like to join your email list to stay updated on offers and promotion. You can manually add their addresses to the email marketing platform. Referral programs. Encourage your existing subscribers to refer their friends and family members to join your email list. Remember, building email list is about obtaining permission from individual who genuinely wants to hear from you. Focus on providing values, making it easy to sign up and respect the privacy. As your list grows, you can connect with audience, nurture relationships, and share relevant information about your businesses. Email marketing platforms and tools. Email marketing platforms and tools are digital softwares and services that helps the businesses to create, manage, and send emails to the subscribers or customer. They provide a range of features and functionalities to streamline the email marketing process and enhance it efficiently. Firstly, we have email creation. These platforms are easy to use editor to create visual appealing emails. You can design professionally looking templates and customize existing ones by adding images, text, button, and other elements. Subscriber management. You can organize your subscriber list, import contacts, segment them into different groups based on the criteria like demography or purchase history, and manage subscription and unsubscribes. Automation. Email marketing tool allows you to automate certain tasks such as sending welcome emails to the subscribers, triggering follow-up messages based on the specific action, or setting up a drip campaign that sends a series of pre-scheduled emails. Personalization. You can personalize your email by addressing subscribers by the name, dynamically inserting specific details, or tailoring content based on their preferences or behavior. This helps to create more engaging and relevant experience for the recipient. Designing compelling emails involve creating visually appealing and engaging messages that captivate your recipient and encourage them to take action. So here are a few tips that would help you to design compelling emails. Clear and concise subject line. The subject line must be short, descriptive, and relevant to the email content. Use clear and organized layout. Keep your email design clean and easy to navigate. Use clear hierarchy with headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up the text and make it scannable. Make sure the important information stands out. Engaging visuals. Include high quality images, relevant graphics, or videos that makes your email visually appealing. Visual elements can capture attention, communicate your message effectively, and enhance the overall experience. Personalization. Tailor your email to individual recipient however possible. Address them by name or use dynamic content to insert the personalized details based on the preferences, previous interaction, or purchase history. This makes the email feel more relevant and increase engagement. Mobile-friendly design. Ensure your emails are optimized by mobile devices since significant portion of recipients will view them on smartphones or tablets. Use responsive design technique that adapts the layout and font size to smaller screen. Test and preview. Before sending your email, preview it across different email clients and devices to ensure proper display. Test your link and interactive element that make sure that it works properly. This helps you catch a formatting or functionality issue in advance. Analyzing and measuring the performance of email involves assessing how well email campaigns are performing and gathering insights to improve the further campaign. Here are a few simple steps to analyze and measure the email performance. Open rate. Open rate measures the percentage of recipients who open your mail. It indicates how successful your subject lines and pre-header text were to capture the attention. A higher opening rate suggests that your emails are resonating with your audience. Click-through rate (CRT). The click-through rate measures the percentage of recipients who click on the link or call to action button in your email. It shows how effective your content, visuals or CTAs are engaging the recipient or driving them to take an action. Conversion rate. The conversion rate measures the percentage of recipients who complete their desired action such as making a purchase, signing up for a webinar or filling a form. It reflects the effectiveness of email in driving desired outcome and achieving your goals. Bounce rate. The bounce rate measures the percentage of email that were not delivered to the recipient's inbox. Bounce can be classified as either hard bounce or soft bounce. A high bounce rate may indicate the issue with your email list quality or deliverability. Unsubscriber rate. The unsubscriber rate measures the percentage of recipients who opt out of receiving further emails from you. It indicates the level of engagement and satisfaction of your subscriber. A high subscriber rate may suggest that your contents or frequency is not meeting their expectation. Feedback and survey. Collect feedback from your subscriber through surveys or direct communication channel. Ask them about their preferences, opinion, and satisfaction with your email. So here are some of the best practices in email marketing. Building a quality email list. Focus on growing an email list of individuals who have willingly opted in receiving your email. Offer valuable content or incentive to encourage sign-ups and ensure subscribers are genuinely interested in your brand. Personalize your email. Address recipient by the name and use dynamic content to customize emails based on the preferences or behavior. Personalization creates more tailored and engaging experience, increasing a chance of recipients to take action. Keep emails clear and concise. Keep your email content focused and to the point. Use short paragraph, bullet points, subheadings to improve readability. Make sure the more important information stands out and is easily scannable. Use eye-catching visual. Incorporate visually appealing elements like images, videos, or graphics to make sure the email is more engaging. Ensure your visuals are relevant, high quality, and optimized for fast loading on different devices. Optimize for mobile. Design your emails to be mobile friendly. Since many people access emails on smartphones and tablets, use responsive design techniques to ensure your email looks good and functions well on small screens. Monitor and analyze. Regularly track the performance of your email campaign using analytics providing your email marketing platform. Monitor metrics like open rate, click-through rate, conversion, and subscribe. Use the data to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Respect subscribers' privacy and preferences. Follow applicable data protection laws and regulations such as obtaining proper consent, providing unsubscribe options, preferences. Respect subscribers' privacy and preferences. Follow applicable data protection laws and regulations such as obtaining proper consent, providing unsubscribe option, and honoring subscribers' privacy preferences. Build trust by being transparent about how you handle their data. Maintain consistency. Establish a consistent sending schedule to manage subscribers' expectations and avoid overwhelming or neglecting them. Consistency helps to build trust and keeps your brand on top of their mind. Future trends in innovation. Interactive emails. Interactive elements in emails have become increasingly popular. In the future, we can expect more interactive features like surveys, quizzes, or even mini games within email. These interactive elements can enhance user engagement, encourages interaction, and provide more effective and immersive experience. Mobile-centric optimization. With the increasing use of mobile devices, email marketing will continue to optimize for mobile experiences. Responsive designs will be a standard practice, ensuring email looks and functions well on different screen sizes. Marketers will focus on creating thumb-friendly design and concise content to grab attention and encourage action to the mobile device. Data privacy and security. A data privacy concern continues to rise. Email marketers will need to prioritize data protection and adhere to strict regulation. Innovation in email marketing will focus on implementing robust security measures, obtaining proper consent, and providing transparency regarding data usage and privacy practice. Voice integration. With the rise of voice assistants and smart speakers, integrating email marketing with voice technology is expected to grow. Users may be able to interact with emails using voice commands, listening to email content, or dictating response. Voice integration can provide consistency and accessibility to the email recipient. Advanced analytic and insights. Further email marketing tools will offer an advanced analytical capability, providing deeper insights into the subscriber's behavior, engagement pattern, and conversion data. Enhanced email deliverability. Innovation will focus on improving email deliverability and avoid spam filter. Technology will help the marketers to optimize email content, subject lines, and sender's reputation to ensure emails reach the intended recipient inbox effectively. Conclusion. Email marketing remains a powerful and an effective tool for businesses to engage with their audience, nurture leads, and drive conversion. By the following practices, such as building quality email lists, personalizing content, analyzing performance metric, businesses can create compelling and targeted email campaign. Further trends, including hyper personalization, interactive emails, and advancement in AI, will further enhance the effectiveness of email marketing. As technology evolves, email marketing will continue to adapt, providing more personalized, engaging, and data driven experience for both businesses and recipients. With the ability to deliver targeted messages directly to the inbox, email marketing will remain a crucial strategy for businesses to connect with the audience and achieve marketing goals. Hope the video helped you to get a good understanding of how to do email marketing. Hope to see you again. Happy learning, Intellipaat. Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat offers advanced certification in digital marketing and analytics designed by industrial experts and IIT Madras faculties. The advanced certification in digital marketing and analytical program aims to help you understand business problems, marketing principles, branding, and PR communication. You will also gain digital marketing skills that are crucial for excelling in marketing domain. The program is designed to help you master skills such as understanding the key fundamentals of marketing as well as essential digital marketing skills like organic marketing, paid marketing, marketing analytics, and more. With this course, we have already helped thousands of professionals in successful career transition. You can check out their testimony on our Achievers channel, whose link is given below in the description. Without a doubt, this course can set your careers to new heights. So visit our course page, link given below in the description, and take the first step towards the career growth in the field of digital marketing.